Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna be talking about how you can place a dark transparent blind over your screen. Also, just to be more useful, I make it some option for color of this. So in some point in your program, when you need to cover your screen and give your user attention to one object only, you can use this blind. Okay, so let's start our project, but before that, as usual, I'll show you how our program gonna be. So yeah, as you see, you will select which color you want and click on show blind, and you will see, and as soon as you tap, it's gonna be disappear. For example, green, and if you notice, it's animation for showing this, and also dismiss it. Yeah, let's go and start our project to make output like this. So file, new project, single view, and say iOS Swift yeah, let's name it dark transparent bind one. Okay, I create this project for that, then later I gonna push it to GitHub and put link in comments. Then you can have source code as well. Okay, so let's go to main storyboard and start to making our user interface. So we need a label. And we put this label here and say plain text and say show transparent line. The center, and I make it to 26. Okay, and I need a button. And the background blue. Okay, and I need a segment control. Put it here. Okay, and for segments, I want to show different colors, so I make it 6 choice. And the first one, title, I say blue. The second one, green. Third one, or index 2, red. Fourth one, pink, and yellow, black. Okay, so we have all of this to make it so more professional. I make all of them, embed in an editor, embed in one view, and I make this view to be fixed height and height, and also I align it to be horizontal and vertical. So in your device, you will have it in the middle. Okay, so I need to connect this to my view controller. So I come here and control drag from segments to view controller, and I name it, for example, segment options. And for the button, yeah, I can make an action, but I want to use tab gesture, so I control drag from here and I make an outlet, and now I say show blind button. Okay, so I close this assistant and I go to view controller, I do cleanup, okay. So here I say in the view did load. I say show blind button dot add gesture recognizer, and here I say UITapGestureRecognizer target self and action. Selector, and here I can call a function, so I say call color blind. So here I need to create this function, then put my output and inside it. Okay, so inside this I'm gonna write my function. Also, it says it should be Objective C. Okay, so I just add the object on top of this. Okay, so now here we need to call our blind handler. But if I want to write code here, it's gonna be, a fat view controller. So to make it more organized, I'm gonna add a new directory here by the name of helper. Inside this helper, I'm gonna create new file, Swift, I name it extensions. Also, I'm gonna add another file. Okay, I make this file name handle helper. Okay, so I name it handle helper. And create it. Okay, inside handle helper, I make this one UI get. Then here I'm gonna start this function. So handle helper, Super Calss NSObject. Okay, for coding this. So first of all, I say let blind view call UIView. Then I'm gonna create a function for handling my blind. So this function, I name it handle transparent transparent. Okay, and for parameter, I'm gonna give it one hex value by the name of Xcolor. Type of this would be string, and by default I make it 00000. It's a hex color. Okay, and I'm gonna give it one alpha, and let's say CG float equal 0.5, and at the end I'm gonna say my duration, and this one double, and by default 0.5. Okay, so no output. Okay, let's code. So for doing this, I need to say if you could create a window variable which is UI application .shared.keyWindow, if you could create it for me, call my blind view and give it background color with UIColor. Okay, here I don't have signature to get hex for me, so let us stop here, go to our extension, and here I want to create an extension for UIColor. This extension I want to create for me convince initiate function which gets tags as a string and alpha with type CG float. Default value would be 1.0. Okay, you know, our subject for this video is not that long, so I'm gonna quickly copy paste from my code that I did before. Just explain to you how is it. So yeah, I get all of the strings by index, and any two of them will be my red, green, and blue, and then I convert them to with radix 16 to integer, and then I'm gonna give it to initial, which is exist already, red, green, blue, and alpha. But for that one, you need to divide the numbers to 5, 5. Okay, so now we have the signature. If I go here and I click on here, you will see I have my hex string. It's giving me 2 because if you choose this one, gonna give it default value 1 to alpha. Okay, so here I'm gonna say Xcolor. Okay, yep, we now create our but you know what, I want to give it alpha. Yeah, I have alpha on top as well, so I say alpha. Okay, so because I want to give it half, 0.5 for alpha. No, if I say that 1, it's gonna be whole screen same color, so I can't see anything behind it. Okay, so now what I want to do, here, let me go forward. Say okay, window dot add subview, and this view gonna be my blind view, and also I say my blind view dot frame equal my window frame. So all of this is for if it could do it. So at the end of here, say line done. Otherwise, window. Okay, and by this we have our blend, but we want to dismiss this if we click on it or we tap on it. So what I do, I'm gonna say first I want to show it with animation. So here I say okay, blind view dot alpha already make it 0, so nothing shown. I have it, but it's 0 alpha. So then I say UIView dot animation. So I create animation with duration, my duration, and so what it's gonna do is self dot blind view dot alpha equal 1. So from 0 to 1 with duration that we got it from the signature on top. Okay, and, also I want to say okay, dismiss this if I tap on it. So here, just after here, I give it background. I say okay. So add to my blind view one addGestureRecognizer with UITapGestureRecognizer, and this one get target, self, and selector. So selector call objectives function. I name it handle dismiss. Yep. So okay, so handle dismiss. Here I create a function, name handle dismiss, no input, no output, just say, okay, my UI view dot animation duration. I just say by default 5. We don't want to pass anything to this function. I'm not allowed to pass when I use gesture. So self dot blind view alpha 0. Okay, so I made this, just I have one error here. Let's see. Yeah, we need to add object objc here in front of handle handle dismiss. Okay, so we are good now. I'll go back to my view controller. Okay, here now I can use, but let me first, I say, okay, if my view did appear, if my view appeared, show, blind by default, just for example. Okay, but for doing that, we need to make an instance from our class. So I say handle equal handle helper. Okay, so here I just need to say handle dot handle transblind. Yeah, I use this one because I use all default value. Okay, so here I need to use my segment to choose color. So I just say switch get self dot segment option dot select segment index. So look at the index. If it's 0, what to do? I say handle in dot handle transaction blind transparent blind with Xcolor, for example 1F49A1 for blue color. Okay, but for the rest I don't want to give them a value here, so I delete them, and that's it. I just here write blue. Also for default I say handle in dot handle blind by default value. Okay, so but I need to add other colors, so I have them already. To speed up our video, so So I say yeah, for index 1 gonna be green, and the rest. Okay guys, I believe we are done. Let's test it out. So what we did, we make a class by the name of handle helper, and inside that one we created function for handling blind. So yeah, here you see as soon as appear screen goes and call our handle. When I click on it, it's gonna be disappear, and then I can choose my color: pink, black, green, red. Yep, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Any question, please ask in comments. I wish the best for you, and bye-bye.